This is George with Melnick's Automotive. I am working in a 2014 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. It's a fully loaded car, and I have a customer brought it in. They were jump starting the car and they confused the positive and negative terminal, and this is what happened. It's got new battery, as you could see in my remote. The light comes on, but my door locks don't cycle. My power seats don't work. Basically, the car is completely dead. It's completely dead, but I'm gonna show you. What's funny thing is, it won't recognize the key. It doesn't have a dead battery in the car also. As you can see, my key right here in my pocket, and I'm gonna put it right here in the cup holder. And when I press the brake and hit the start button, there's absolutely nothing. The light just flashes and nothing happens. As you can see, nothing happens. Nothing's on the dash. It just flashes. And if I take the key and I actually press and hold it, the car will start. There's gonna be a couple lights on the dash. Okay, you can see all those lights that came on the dash. But I'm gonna turn the car off. I can only turn ignition on with the key. And once ignition is on, I have my door locks that work, and I have my seat that works, and the seat should move back and forth, and door locks should move back and forth without ignition on. This is what I'm getting all the lights on. And this has happened after they reversed the cables when they were jump starting the car because the battery died. Left the lights on or whatever. But now, watch this. Since I turn ignition off, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing on the dash. And again, my door locks don't work, and my seats don't slide. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to fix this problem. On the problem, I'm going to show you exact fix in a second. Just to show you again, you can see nothing's working. Door locks and unlocks don't work. My power seat is dead, and key does not work. I'm taking the key with me. Another thing that the customer did say, when they crossed the cables, they had like smoke come out of this box. When we opened this box, we found 125 amp. It's a main fuse that was blown, so we replaced that. We were able to power up the car, but like I said, still other functions don't work, like dome lights don't work and stuff like that. Seat doesn't slide, and in order to start the car, I need to actually hold the key against the button, and there's nothing wrong with this key. So what I end up finding, and I'm going to share this with you, there is a 10 amp fuse right here on the passenger side fuse box. It's called backup. If you look at your cover, it's a number 16 fuse. It's called backup. I looked at the wiring diagrams, and I found that fuse might be responsible for everything that we're having, all the issues with keyless and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna pull this fuse out in just a second, and as you can see, it's blown. I'm gonna look on the light. You can see it's blown. It's supposed to be connected inside. It's not. So it's blown fuse. What's nice, Honda gives you spare fuses that come in the box. And if this is the case, and I'm almost 99% positive that this is the case, there you go. I put it in. So my keyless should be working, and I haven't done anything. Let's see my door lock cycle. They do. I can hear that. Let me see my dome lights. Yep, they're working. That means my seat will be sliding back and forth. You can see my seat is working. And now my key's right here, so you can see I'm not touching the button. It should recognize that key from the distance. Perfect. That's it. So that's how you fix if you have that kind of issue. It's called backup. That's the fuse. I have a traction control light on. I'm gonna look into that, see what happened. Probably steering angle sensor needs to be reset, because with them reversing the cables, that could have happened. And that's it. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnix Automotive.